Now it's time for some magic.
Wow!
Hello kiddos, today we are going to draw a cute rainbow unicorn cake.
Wow!
So let's get started. Which color in the rainbow colors do you like the most? I like red the most.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
This unicorn cake has two cute eyes. Let's draw it.
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
It's time to color them. I'm putting the light yellow color and pink color. Now I am putting the cream color.
Town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up, Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind the music and the step,
Now I am putting the purple color.
handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Gooding, and there we saw the
Now I am putting the rainbow colors. Red,
pudding.
Yankee
orange,
Keep it up, Yankee
light yellow
mind the music
and
step, and
light
with the girls
green.
be handy.
I am putting now the pink color,
Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's
sky blue color
proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle,
and
keep it
purple
up,
color.
Yankee Doodle dandy. Mind
Now
the
I am
music
putting the
and
greenish
step,
yellow
and with
color.
the girls be handy.
I am putting now the red color, pink color, sky blue color and light yellow color. Now it's time for some magic.
Wow!